taking you from where I live to where I've decided to start my mission, which is not here in Kentucky, but over in Southern California. And we were faced with doing a little rescue mission, and the fact that I'm a newbie Airbus H135 driver, and I've got to land in here, 34 degrees 36 minutes north, 118 degrees 58 minutes and 48 seconds west. Kinda dodgy area to do a landing, and especially challenging for an NFG in a rotary wing. Now what you're looking at is Google Earth zoomed in as we flew from my home in Kentucky to exactly where the rescue mission is supposed to take place. What you're looking at, however, is not the rescue mission area itself. You're looking at the search area and corresponding sites around that will give you some reference as to where exactly we are in Google Earth. You can see that the mission was actually dictated by this very cool program called NeoFly. And it gives you random missions to fly an aircraft that you have to own. And yes, you have to purchase them. And I had to buy an H135 and an H145 since I actually have bought and owned them in the simulator. This program, NeoFly, allows you to accommodate the simulator, works with the simulator, and shows you in real time where you are once you've chosen whatever mission you've chosen to fly. This is the actual crash site that I finally found. Finally, after flying around the search area for pretty close to an hour, we did several crosses over the area, and I said there's no way that I can get in here and not kill myself. So I was going to go ahead and take the $10,000 reward for finding the crash site and reporting its location with a beacon of my own and a recording off of my own GPS. But then I decided, well, yeah, I know I've lost several H135s in the process of trying to either put out fires out there in the West or do rescue missions, but what the hey, let's go ahead and try to land. So here is where I was going to leave, but realized I didn't have footage. What happened was that I was handling too many screens at once, and the screen that was being shown and recorded was actually the NeoFly screen rather than the actual rescue and landing. So I decided to fly back and let you see where I landed. Anyway, that's what I was doing last night.